Imagine stepping into a garden where every plant thrives without wasting a single drop of water. Welcome to the world of sustainable landscaping, a practice that not just beautifies spaces but also preserves our planet. Why choose sustainable landscaping? It's not just about the aesthetics, it's about creating eco-friendly spaces that save water, reduce chemical use, and support local wildlife. It's landscaping with a conscience. Let's talk resources. Books like Sustainable Landscaping for Dummies and The New American Garden provide incredible insights into eco-friendly gardening techniques that anyone can adopt. If you're more of an auditory learner, podcasts such as The Sustainable Landscape and The Eco-Friendly Landscaper offer expert interviews and tips right at your fingertips. YouTube channels like This Old House and Garden SMART are treasure troves of visual guides on creating drought-resistant and chemical-free gardens. These videos make learning both engaging and practical. For those looking to dive deeper, universities like UC Davis and the University of Michigan offer courses on sustainable landscaping. These programs cover everything from water conservation to eco-friendly design. Websites such as Eco-Friendly Landscaping and the Sustainable Landscape Network also provide ongoing support and tips for both novices and seasoned gardeners aiming to green their practices. In this era, choosing sustainable landscaping is more than a trend, it's a crucial step towards environmental stewardship. Let's embrace these resources and transform our environments, one garden at a time.